Hey everyone, it's Rick. I'm here at Cosanti, former home of Paolo Soleri, and the current foundry where they make so many of the Soleri bells you see hanging on people's front porches. So let's go take a walk. Cosanti is the gallery, studio, and former home of architect Paolo Soleri. The 5-acre site in Paradise Valley, Arizona is between Scottsdale and Phoenix, northeast of Mummy Mountain. It's so demure, it's easily overlooked as a place to visit, though it's quite unique and worth a stop. It also happens to be one of the places they make Soleri Wind Bells, along with its related property, Arcosanti, 70 miles to the north on the way towards Sedona. Soleri lived here with his wife Collie from 1956 until his passing in 2013. It is listed as an Arizona Historic Site and is open to the public. The site itself has multiple structures on it, ranging from their earth house, a dorm, studios, a performance area, and more. Various paths connect the buildings and courtyards together. The unique feature of many of these structures is how they were built. Rather than traditional construction, mounds of dirt were packed tightly and concrete was poured over them in a process called earth casting. Upon curing, the dirt is removed from the interior, revealing dome-shaped rooms. This also gives the ability to create some unique ceilings with natural light emanating through its openings. Much of the dirt was left to surround the exterior and take advantage of the natural insulation. Many of the Soleri bells sold here are also made using earth casting. Soleri Wind Bells, also referred to as Soleri bells, have been made in Arizona since the 1950s and are made from either bronze or ceramic. The bells are cast in the same molds routinely, though each artist leaves their own mark on each one, making them all unique. Soleri himself from Turin, Italy, visited the U.S. in 1946 and spent a year in fellowship with Frank Lloyd Wright here in the Phoenix area, at Taliesin West, as well as at Taliesin in Spring Green, Wisconsin. Soleri had one of his bridge designs displayed at the Museum of Modern Art, which garnered him international recognition. Another bridge he designed was constructed right here in Scottsdale over the Arizona Canal on the west side of Scottsdale Road, which you can visit and walk across. Another notable Soleri location in Arizona is Arcosanti. It is referred to as an experimental town designed in the concept of arcology beginning in 1970. It's meant to demonstrate how urban environments can be built to sustain a more densely populated area with lower impact on the environment. It's a small town built on a hillside that has between 50 to 150 people living there, many of whom are volunteers or students. It doesn't look like any other town you've ever seen, with their buildings shaped organically, rather than in squares and rectangles, up and down rather than outward. It's open to the public, has a gift shop where you can also shop for wind bells, and attracts tens of thousands of visitors per year. Arcosanti has a website that details tours, workshops, and educational lectures which can be attended by the public. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in seeing a video about Arcosanti. I've been there a couple times in the past, though I may stop for another look around. Thanks everyone for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons for more Let's Go Take a Walk adventures. Thank you.